In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create listing in Depop. Start by heading to Depop.com. Once the home page loads, you'll see the option to sell. Click Sell Now to open the List an Item page. This is where you'll build your entire listing from top to bottom. Begin with photos. You can upload up to 8, and it's worth using as many as you need to tell the full story of the item. Aim for bright, natural light and a clean background. Include front, back, close-ups of details like buttons or prints, the label, and any flaws. If it's clothing, show the fit on a hanger or mannequin and add a shot of measurements if you have them. Sharp, well-framed photos reduce questions and build buyer confidence. Next, write your description. Keep it clear and honest. Mention the item's size, fit, fabric, and key features, and call out any wear or defects so there are no surprises. If sizing runs small or large, say so. Use keywords a buyer might search for, but keep the tone natural. Think of how you describe it to a friend. Now fill in the required info: category, brand, and condition. Pick the most accurate category so your item appears in the right searches. Select the correct brand, or choose unbranded if it's not labeled. For condition, be precise. New with tags, excellent, good with minor wear, or fair if it needs love. Accuracy here leads to happier buyers and fewer returns. Enhance your listing by adding color, source, age, and style. Choose the closest color or palette match. Source can indicate where it came from, like thrifted or handmade if applicable. Age helps signal whether it's vintage or modern. Style tags guide the right audience to your item, so choose what best reflects its vibe. Enter your item price. Research similar pieces on Depop to set a competitive number, then factor in platform fees and what you'd like to net. Consider the item's brand, condition, and rarity. A clear, fair price helps your listing move faster. You'll see an option to boost your listing. Boosting can increase visibility, which is helpful for trending items or time-sensitive drops. Use it if it aligns with your margin. Otherwise, it's fine to skip. Add your shipping price. Think about the item's weight, package size, and typical carrier rates. Price to cover your label and packing materials while keeping the total attractive to buyers. Finally, review everything for accuracy and click post. Your item is now live and ready to be discovered. That's all you need to create a polished Depop listing from start to finish.